Good. So the mass airflow sensor is here, and I like to open it up. That's a tiny screw I don't want to lose. All right. Let's disconnect this. Sometimes you can squeeze them out of their harness without removing the harness. Okay, here we go. So that is your mass airflow sensor, and believe it or not, that is all that little piece that's in there that needs to be cleaned. So what I like to do is just give it a quick squirt, and that's it. That's clean. This stuff works great, mass airflow sensor cleaner. And make sure you only use mass airflow sensor, because if you use anything else, it can dissolve plastic and all that other nasty stuff in there. But anyway, that's all that's really measuring your air. Air goes in, and then that gives a reading on that. So, oh, turn backwards. Okay. Reconnect the harness, make it crack in place. And then these little itty bitty tiny screws. And like I said, it's always good to clean that, because that's something that I always see get neglected, is the airflow, mass airflow, and it analyzes how hot and cold the air is, how much oxygen's in there, so your whole system can work properly. Anyway, so that was it. That is your complete tune-up on this Honda. Hopefully you found some stuff useful, found some tricks. Leave comments in the bottom, and as always, thanks for watching and subscribing to Garage Mahal. It's under my name, Brian E. Niskola, but thanks for watching. Be safe out there.